the Poly Blackwire 8225. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a premium headset, the Blackwire 8225 by Poly. This can be used in the home office environment or at the workplace. I will go over specs, features, provide microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a quick start guide and a storage case. The headset is corded and you have the option of a USB-A or USB-C connection. It's compatible with Windows and Mac. Advanced hybrid ANC. Noise cancelling with acoustic fence microphone. It has call controls, voice alerts, software integration, 280-degree boom rotation, and a total cable length of 7 feet. It's also compatible with all major communication platforms. Looking at the headset, it's definitely lightweight. The earphones do swivel in and out, and the padding is soft on both sides. And there's also a good amount of padding on the headband. The outer part of the headband has a matte finish, and towards the bottom you have the branding. You can see the boom does rotate and the adjustment levels for the headsets clicks into place. It's flexible as well, so it could accommodate various head sizes. This version I have is a USB-C connection. As mentioned earlier, it also comes with a USB-A version. The cable is 7 feet in length. The Inline Controller has a call button, volume, mute, and you can also turn the ANC off, set it to medium, or the high setting. And you can also download the Plantronics Hub software where you can modify a wide variety of settings from language, ringtones, volume, soft phones, sensor, and advanced settings. There are 2 LEDs on each side of the module. The mute will turn red, and on the other side you have an LED for calls. The headset weighs in at roughly 151 grams. Okay, now for a microphone sample of the Poly Blackwire 8225. I have a tower fan next to me on medium speed. My decibel meter is reading about 60 decibels. So I'll read some phrases. Take the winding path to reach the lake. Note closely the size of the gas tank. Wipe the grease off his dirty face. Mend the coat before you go out. What joy there is in living. Alright, now I turned off the fan so the room is completely quiet, and I'll read some phrases. Take the winding path to reach the lake. Note closely the size of the gas tank. Wipe the grease off his dirty face. Mend the coat before you go out. What joy there is in living. Here are my thoughts on the headset. I found them to be comfortable and they seated well on top of my ears. There's decent clamping force and it's not too tight. The pads are soft and you can definitely wear them for extended periods of time without discomfort. The design is pretty standard for a headset. It does feel durable and it's lightweight. The inline module buttons are responsive and they worked well. Now the ANC feature I feel was excellent. You can definitely tell the difference as it cancels out your surroundings. I tested it through various settings with fans, TVs, air purifiers, and it did a good job in preserving the overall audio. You have a medium and a high setting depending on how much you want to block out, or you can just turn it off. The microphone comes in loud and clear and it has a deep tone to it, and it has no issues connecting to Microsoft Teams through my testing. Overall, this is a good option for those that are looking for a headset with an ANC feature. It's definitely a good choice for the remote and office workers. So that is my review of the Poly Blackwire 8225. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.